Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Give everyone a few minutes to get connected with us. Happy St. Patrick's Day. All right. Good morning. Hi, Woolly family. Thanks for joining us. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We're just going to give everyone some time to join us. My friends near and far, we are live streaming from New Jersey. My name is Megan Kavanaugh. I'm a kindergarten teacher at the GLC school in Long Branch. This is my 18th year teaching. I am happy to be here. Oh, hi, Yago's here too. Lexi and Liam are here. Hello, welcome back. So I decided that during this time every day, we are going to do a story. And I'm going to give everyone a math problem to solve that they can send me their attempts at solving. So I'll go over that in a few minutes once more people have joined. I'm going to make sure I see everybody. All right, awesome. So if you miss any of my other pre-recorded, like this morning's lesson, we did some quick skills, we did some phonics, we did some math subitizing. Oh, Madeline, I'm so excited to have you here with us. So you can check, feel free to go back and watch. I'm trying to figure out how to make these videos interactive. I feel a little bit like Dora the Explorer. But I love having the kids here, and I think it's important for them to see a familiar face. And for my new friends like Madeline, who doesn't really know me, I know your mom. My name's Miss Kavanaugh. I'm so happy you're here with us. Some of my friends from my class are here, and my former class are here. I have Lexi, who's a KinderCavs alumni. I see Yago's here. I just want to give my families a few more minutes to connect. I know they're trying to figure it out, and we're all troubleshooting. This morning we talked about thankfulness, and I am so thankful to have people around me to help me so that I can do this. I have so many people helping contribute. Miss Daniels sent out this really awesome calendar with activities. Looks like this, and it's on her website, and it's like a March calendar day by day with very just fun short activities you can do with your child that they're very beneficial. Love them. Sight words, basic things around the house, little math things. Love it. Oh, I have some more friends, I think. Oh, the Liskas are here. Hello, girls. Thank you for joining us. Hi, Sophia. Again, the calendar, Miss Daniels is our Director of Early Childhood Education on the Long Branch website. You can go to her page and find this awesome calendar with activities, quick, easy, fun activities to keep your little one engaged. And we all know things have to keep moving to keep their attention. So what I want to do during this time, and I told my friends that we're here already, we are going to not only read a story. Hi, Ferris. I'm so happy you're here. And Miss Throckmorton's here. She's waving hi to all of our kinders. We miss you guys. So we're going to read a story, and I'm going to give you guys a math problem to solve. So I'm going to give you the math problem now before we read the story. And there's going to be a skill that goes along with our story. And at the end, I'll repeat the math problem. And I'm going to tell you what I expect from you, and then you can send me your responses on our class dojo, or you can put it on our feed here from the video. I would love to see how you try to solve the problem. Sophia's here too from my class. Hi, Sophia. Our friends are here. Miss Throckmorton's here. Sophia Yago's here. Miss Newberry's here. Miss Liska and her children are here. Miss Woolley and her teacher. Miss Applegate is here. I think I said Yago. I don't want to miss anybody. Hi, Miss Cardilla. Thank you for joining us. So here we go. This is what we're going to do during this time. We're going to do a problem-solving problem, a math problem that you're going to try to solve. I'm going to show you what I expect from you. And after this video is all done, after we've done our read aloud, you are going to try to solve the problem and follow the steps. And you can send it to me. You can post it on this feed. You can send it to me on Dojo. Anyone can try it, and it's just for fun. So let's have some fun learning. So let's start with the problem. So here is the problem. I had 6 gold coins on my desk. Just so happens I have 6 gold coins right here. 6 gold coins. They were on my desk. I was trying to catch a leprechaun. The leprechaun took 5. How many do I have left? You can use anything. If you want to try to work this out with manipulatives, you can use pennies. You can cut out and make your own coins. I know Teresa would probably do that. She loves to make her own props. You can use anything. A lot of us might have like the mini erasers. I know my class loves these because, you know, I collect them from the Target dollar spot. But I just so happen to have leprechaun coins. So I'm going to use my coins to solve. I'm going to read the problem again though, because the first thing that I always tell my class is I don't want to know the answer yet. I want to make sure you understand what the problem's asking you. Then we're either going to do a model or we're going to draw to show the whole story. Then we worry about the equation and the answer, because your thinking is so important. I love learning how you think, and it's important for us to think about our thinking. So let's read it again. I had 6 gold coins on my desk. The leprechaun took 5. I really need to think what this problem is asking me and make sure I understand. Sometimes we just try to take the numbers and do some math, but that's not helping us understand the problem. What is the problem actually asking us? I had some gold coins. The leprechaun took some. So, is what's left going to be bigger than what I had or smaller? And that'll help give us a clue. Should we be adding? Should we be subtracting? Well, let's start by drawing a picture. So when we leave, after our read aloud today, I want you to draw a picture for me showing the whole story, okay? Show everything that you're gonna do and try to write an equation. So we're gonna move on to our story. After our story, I'll revisit the problem and read it again, just so we don't forget. And actually, I'll put a picture of it on the feed here too. Figuring it out as we go, friends. Taking a deep breath and making it happen. All right, so that's our math problem for today. I want to talk about this word. This morning, I was telling you about how I love words. I'm a word collector. This word is really cool. This word is idiom. Can you try to say it? Idiom. I promise it's not a bad word, though it kind of sounds like you're saying something naughty. Idiom. An idiom is a really interesting and fun saying that has an everyday meaning. So let me give you an example, because sometimes it just sounds like a lot of words. My story today is called Why the Banana Split. Well, a banana split is a type of like ice cream sundae. I don't know if you've ever seen it. It has some bananas and three scoops of ice cream, different flavors. That's what a banana split is. So that's our everyday meaning for a banana split. But now an idiom is an interesting and fun saying. Well, these words can have different meanings. Banana split. Do you ever hear someone say, "Oh no, I've got a split"? That means they're leaving. They have to go. So this banana looks like he's running away. He's got to go. So, I have more friends here. Hi, Allie. Hi, Samoa's family. Hi, Ariana. Hi, the other Miss Kavanaugh. All right, so this book is actually from Miss Kavanaugh. I'm very excited to share. She's a counselor in Manalapan, and she let me borrow this awesome book on idioms. To get us together, we're all stronger, right? We have to work together during this time. So we're going to be reading this book, and there's some really fun idioms in here. So can a banana really split? Well, this one's running away. So Why the Banana Split was written by Rick Walton and illustrated by Jimmy Holder. Why the Banana Split, an adventure in idioms. And here's that same definition of what an idiom is: an interesting and fun saying that has everyday meaning. All right. Hi, Vargas family. Here we go. We're talking about idioms today. When Rex came to town, everyone looked at his huge head high in the air and his large, sharp teeth. And they screamed, "Dinosaur! Dinosaur! Run away! Run away!" And they did. You can see everyone nervously running away in the illustration. The jump ropes, they skipped town. How funny is that? Skipping town means leaving town, but when you play with the jump rope, you skip. Do you see that idiom there? How it has a different meaning, an everyday meaning, and it turns it into something silly and fun. The astronauts took off. The banana split, peeled out, and slipped away. And the frogs hopped a train, and that train made tracks. The basketball players went traveling, while the baseball players struck out on their own. Now, striking out in baseball, we know you 3 strikes and you're out. You don't get to swing the bat anymore. But with the way that they used it in the idiom, struck out means that they're leaving and they're going out on their own to do something. It's such a silly book. Goodbye, said the shoppers. Bye-bye, said the shopkeepers. When we go to shops, we buy things, right? But goodbye and to buy with money, those words are the same, but they have different meanings. The jackhammers hit the road. Here's the jackhammers. They look like they're leaving instead of hitting the road and breaking it like they're supposed to. And it says the lettuce headed out. Headed out means that they're leaving, but this is called a head of lettuce. How silly are these idioms? Oh, hi, Juliana, Christina, and Victoria. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you're liking our story so far. The trees took their leaves and the water ran off. You could look at the water droplets running. The books took a hike and the knives cut and ran. Look at those boots. To take a hike means to go away, but the boots are hiking up the mountain. And over here, the knives cut and ran. Can knives really run? So silly. The snakes said, "So long." The snakes are so long, even though they said so long, which means farewell or goodbye. And the cows moved on. "Why are you all running away?" asked Rex. "If you're coming, we're going," said the drum, just as he was ready to beat it. "We don't want you to eat us." "But I only eat fruit," said Rex. "Really?" said the drum. "In that case, hey everyone, come back." I want to make a connection to something that we learned about in science with the T-Rex. So we know that the T-Rex is a carnivore because he eats meat, but the T-Rex in this story, he said that he only eats fruit. So what is the big scientific name? Who remembers? Do you remember that name? Did you say that he's an herbivore? If you said herbivore, that's right. This T-Rex just so happens to be an herbivore. And They did. Look, they came back because this T-Rex is not a meat eater. You see their happy faces? All except for the bananas. And look at, remember they said the bananas peeled out? Look at their peels. They don't have their peels on. Those silly bananas. Idioms are so fun. I thought this book was really silly. In our house, we like idioms, and whenever we find fun ones, we share them with each other. So if you come across a fun idiom, please send it to me. I'd love to see it. So don't forget what an idiom is. It's an interesting and fun saying that has an everyday meaning. So there's lots of great idioms out there, and there's a big word, so stick that in your brain, try to remember it and use it, tell a friend, it'll help you remember it in your super smart brain. Before we leave from our read aloud time, in the beginning, those of you who weren't here, I shared our problem of the day today. Hi, Miss Jones. Our secretary, Miss Jones, is here. Hi, Miss Jones. We miss seeing everybody's smiles. Thank you for joining us. Before we leave, I want you to remember we have our problem solving today. You're going to do problem solving, and everyone can try it. What I want you to do with the problem solving first, make sure you understand the problem. What is it asking? Then you're going to draw a picture to demonstrate the whole story. Tell the whole story in your picture. And then you're going to write an equation and solve. Here's the problem. Are you ready? I had 6 gold coins right on my desk, and the leprechaun took 5 of them. How many are left? I can't wait to see your responses. Please make sure you're looking at Dojo, everyone. Make sure you're following us on Twitter, on here. There's lots of great information for you to use at home. If I can support your child's learning at home any further, please don't hesitate to reach out. This is what I love to do, so I'd be more than happy to help you and provide whatever resources I can. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow morning live stream at 9. Hi, Yago. Is that you saying hi to me? I'm so happy you're here with us. I can't wait to see your examples of problem solving. Post them right here if you want, or you can put them on Twitter or on Dojo. And if you don't mind, I'd love to share them to show our other friends that you're working hard. Thank you all for being here. I'm so happy to have your beautiful faces on the other side of these screens. And don't forget, when your families tell you it's time to unplug, that's good for you. It's good for your body. It's good for your mind to practice doing some other things. Like I told my friends this morning, when I woke up this morning, I took out my book and I sat and I read instead of going on my phone and looking at things on my phone. I figured it would be a good idea to take a break from all of that. And I'm sure we're all working on schedules, getting our new schedules set up and getting used to it. Ms. Kavanaugh's doing the same thing because I have 2 kids home that are doing schooling too and at different times. I know tomorrow morning my plan is going forward. Every morning at 6 o'clock, we're exercising. That's how we're going to start our day. So make sure you're adding in exercise. Check out all the links on our Google Slides. There's tons of fun videos that I know the children in my class know about and love. They're linked in our Google Slide that is posted on this page and on Twitter and in the Dojo. Lots of Harry Kindergarten and Go Noodle and Cuckoo Kangaroo and all those awesome resources that are available for us. There's so much out there right now. I don't want parents to feel overwhelmed. So my friends out there, please don't feel overwhelmed. Do what you can. If you need help simplifying and just sticking to all right, what are the 3 things I need to do every day? I'd be more than happy to help you with that. So it's not a time to allow ourselves to get overwhelmed. Let's continue to take those deep breaths and help each other because we know that together, everyone's stronger. Love you guys. Thanks for joining. I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Bye.